Hey everyone, this is FilmoraMastery. Today I'm going to show you the proper procedures to clone anybody's voice. And now for this quick tutorial, I'm going to use the Filmora mobile version, but you can apply the same exactly concept on your desktop version and do the same. And now, this is Dogpack 404. If you don't know who he is, just go ahead and search for him on YouTube.
Now, if you don't hate small creators like myself, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so that when the allegations are actually done with, I won't be a small channel. And then you can expect video editing tutorials in the future, like this one.
Wait a minute!
As you all know, this guy never said, that is a clone voice. Just use this option right here to go to the tools. We just want this very first one, right here, is going to load a small paragraph for you to read. All right, and then after you read that, Filmora is going to capture by the way you read, and then capture to create a clone of your voice. And now, my dear friend, this is where the whole secret lays. So this is the very moment that you do the clone of anybody's voice. Instead of reading all this paragraph that you are seeing right here, when you press the tape to record button here, just play the person that you want to clone the voice of. Let's say I want to clone the voice of Mr. Beast. Now what I'm going to do right here is like I have to get like a 2-minute or a 1-minute long speech of Mr. Beast, right? Without any interactions or anything else. Just make sure you get that recording separately and then you play it in another device. All right, just make sure that it's loud enough to be heard when it plays through the speakers in your room or wherever you are. But also make sure that the environment that you are is very good, well set for that. You just have to go on right here and then press to stop. And right here, you can listen to that audio, and if it's fine with you, then you can go ahead and create. And now after that, you can choose to listen your voice either in English or in Portuguese, right? And then after that, you can go ahead and save the voice. Okay? By the way, you are not allowed to have more than 5 clones in Filmora, right? So you have to create another account if you want more than 5. After you've done that, you are all set. You can now find your clone right here on the list. Subscribe, like, and share the content until I meet you in the next episode. Peace.